NTS, PPSC, SPSC, KPPSC, BPSC, APSC, NTS, OTS, FIA, FBI, NAB, WAPDA, and all other competitive tests and jobs. 61. Study of maps and feature of universe is called? Answer: cartography. 62. The science of celestial bodies is known as? Answer: astronomy. 63. Etymology refers to the study of? Answer: words. 64. Coldest planet of the solar system is? Answer: Neptune. 65. Which planet takes the longest time to go once around the Sun? Answer: Neptune. 66. The first artificial satellite was launched by? Answer: Russia. 67. The first astronaut to set foot on the Moon? Answer: Neil Armstrong. 68. The theory stating that new matter is always created to fill the space left by universe is called? Answer: steady state. 69. Acceleration caused by gravity is? Answer: 32 feet, sec 2. 70. Sunlight is composed of? Answer: 7 colors. 71. The largest planet is? Answer: Jupiter. 72. Outer surface of the Sun is called? Answer: corona. 73. Which star is known as the constant star? Answer: North Star. 74. Who coined the term gene? Answer: Wilhelm Johannes. 75. Which vitamin prevents hemorrhaging? Answer: vitamin K. 76. Hydrochloric acid is necessary for easy digestion of? Answer: protein. 77. What is H5N1? Answer: virus. 78. Spam emails are also called? Answer: junk mail. 79. Headquarter of Arab League is located at? Answer: Cairo. 80. Judicial body of UN is called? Answer: International Court of Justice, ICJ. 81. The highest battlefield in the world is? Answer: Siachen Glacier. 82. The largest producer of solar energy in the world is? Answer: USA. 83. Epistemology is the study of? Answer: knowledge. 84. Ustad al-Abash was a famous blank of Pakistan. Answer: painter. 85. Headquarter of African Union is located in? Answer: Addis Ababa. 86. Yeast used in making of bread is a? Answer: fungus. 87. When was the first Nobel Prize awarded? Answer: 1901. 88. LED stands for? Answer: light-emitting diode. 89. When was the right to vote given to the women in Switzerland? Answer: 1971. 90. The Leaning Tower Pisa is located in which country? Answer: Italy.